Today we have a special treat for you as we embark on a culinary adventure in the heart of nature. I'm joined by my good friend Oz, a professional chef that has a passion for creating incredible dishes. He's honed his skills in some top-notch restaurants, including some prestigious Gordon Ramsay establishments. Today we're bringing his expertise to the great outdoors as we prepare Spain's national treasure, paella. So let's get into the video.
Hi guys, I got cooking teeth.
Guys, welcome. Today we are going to be cooking
Paella!
paella.
Paella con cagela. Let's do it, bro! Oh, chili. Chicken thigh.
Alright guys, first I'm going to go through the ingredients. So we got chicken thighs, mussels, extra large king prawns, Spanish paella rice, peas, flat leaf parsley, a pepper, garlic, oil, mixed chilies, pepper, salt, lemon, hot paprika, chicken glaze, and a sexy Albanian chef. So as you can see, this is our nice little setup over here in the beautiful Lake of Scotland. You're probably wondering, why are we in Scotland when we're cooking Spain's national dish?
Why are we in Scotland when we're cooking Spain's natural dish, Arian?
We have no answer to that.
We have no answer to that.
Exactly.
Onion.
Bro, nice. Again.
Okay, the onion.
Onions. Again.
Get him! First, we have to dice onion.
Onion want to escape.
Onion racist. Slice onion.
Oh, bro!
That was a fucking headshot. Fluffy side, always leave up because that holds the structure and the integrity of
Bro, shut the fuck up.
the onion.
Shut up and just cut it.
The onion.
Oh, bro, look at that. This is what happens when you dedicate 4 years. Dedicate 4 years of your life to
the kitchen.
Also, saffron. I forgot about that one.
Don't forget about the saffron, bro.
Oh, look at how equal.
Size.
Bro, this is what equality should look like.
Equal.
Every single,
Trust me, every onion
single
piece.
onion piece is equal.
Apart from this, bro. This
Oh, bro.
Fuck off.
Bro, discriminate that one. Garlic. Make sure, chef.
Nice.
I'm learning. That's why you made me do it. Bro, why you make it look so easy?
Juliet.
He's showing off.
This is Chinese. This is French. And Mediterranean's like this. Aryan POV. I was thinking nice.
Like that?
Yeah.
No, bro. Save it.
There you go. You get it. Wait, you move these out the way quick. Fuck yourself. That's probably the best dice you've done, I'm guessing. Ever.
I don't know, bro. It looks even.
It's even, so that's good.
Hello, ready to cook.
Arian, Fireboy, light it up.
Loud it up.
Oil.
Oh, nice pan. Where did you get that from?
France. Heat up very quickly because of their extra carbon fibre footprint.
Bro, shut the fuck up. I cook. You're not a scientist. Relax.
Chill, you're not the thinker, bro.
Bro, I science, you cook.
I science, you cook. Let me do the mathematical equation real quick.
We're gonna slap in the onions and the mixed peppers and the chilies. Very nice. Imagine it just goes everywhere.
Boy, if you don't shut your ass up, bro, I'll cook you up in this fucking paella, bro.
Hello, duck. You want bread? I give. Listen, not only do we have to feed ourselves, but we need to feed the community.
Feed the community.
Exactly, bro. Feeding the community comes first. Step 1, fatten up the duck. And step 2, eat the duck.
Chicken.
Time for them chicken thighs.
Nice bite-sized pieces.
Chicken has been nicely diced by Oz. Alright, we're gonna put some water in the chicken glaze.
Have we told them what we're missing out of the paella?
Alright guys, we are missing a couple of ingredients. Oz, do you want to explain?
So chorizo. This is shumi haram and it's best not to eat it, guys. Stay away from it.
Exactly, bro. That's why all this meat that we're using is halal.
Hello, man.
Do you want to season? Oz is gonna season the chicken. What are we gonna season it with? Pepper.
Pepper. Some salt. Some nice smoked paprika as well. Okay, at this point we put the onion mix back in. Delicious. And then this part we add
Bro!
the Paella. Keep adding, keep adding, keep adding, keep adding, keep. So, nice. Getting it out. Good amount of salt actually. Saffron. How many strands do you think is in here, Mr. Scientist, mathematician?
Let me see.
Doom, doom, doom. Do your
So using Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry inclusive with differentiation, I think there's roughly about 1,733 pieces in there.
Well, you are the scientist. Okay, guys, we only need about maybe a little more.
What time is it?
Time for time, bro.
Time for time, let's go.
Time for time. So gradually you just add water basically.
Yeah.
What you're supposed to do is just add the water, then foil it over.
Okay, so this is how it looks like.
Now some smoked pap. Basically, add water until it's cooked, kind of like a risotto.
Yeah. Oz has just added a bit more chicken stock. Yeah.
What's time?
That's off.
Is there no more gas?
Is it empty?
Yeah, let's put another gas in there.
Alright guys, it's time to add the prawns.
Boy. This point I'm gonna add parsley. Ready? Good one. Nice. Beautiful, Ari. What's your opinion on that?
It looks incredible, bro.
Look up, bro. Iranian look.
Time some peas.
They win. Nice thing. Stop. Oh shit, man.
Time to plate up. Beautiful mess.
It's a beautiful mess. Like the consistency, I think this is the perfect consistency of paella.
Yeah. Time to plate.
Time to plate. Nice scoop. Get everything. Some people add calamari as well. Ooh, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Damn, bro.
4 years for this shit. Fuck it. Guys, it's nice.
The wine, we added a bit of wine, we'd have just brought it together a little bit more.
I'm not complaining, bro. This is nice.
Beautiful, yeah.
Guys, thank you for watching. That is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Also, I've listed Oz's channel down in the description as well. We had a great time filming this, and recording this and editing this. So give his channel a subscribe as well. But apart from that, see you in the next video.